Good morning, and welcome to Coffee Talk with Heidi Gammill, aka Nest Pretty. So, Nest Pretty is all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. And instead of having coffee today on my Coffee Talk, I'm going to have my Ningxia Red because it is my self-proclaimed Gold Star Day. And I've already started with a home facial and I have a massage coming up. So I want to get super hydrated before that because of course, whenever you get a massage, especially a deep tissue, then it's going to release tons of toxins. So you want to help your body along with that. So I'm going to drink my Ningxia, which is an antioxidant drink. And then I'm going to down a bunch of water, not too much. I don't want to have to go to the bathroom during my massage. So a Gold Star Day is a fantastic concept that is taught in the How to Elevate Your Self-Care Beauty Routine. And just implementing this strategy into my self-care has been amazing. I do it once a month and I just set aside the day to take really good care of myself, head to toe. I won't go into every detail, but I'm going to check off all the things off the list today and do it in such a way that is relaxing and just full of self-care. I also love to fit in just times of rest, contemplation, journaling, using essential oils just to kind of like breathe out the stress, breathe in the oils and out the stress. Anyway, usually on Coffee Talk, we talk coffee, but today we're talking self-care. And I've been talking about it all month. And I hope that you implemented some strategies into your self-care beauty routine. And I'm just here to encourage you to do a Gold Star Day. If you haven't done one yet, like put it on the calendar. If it's not scheduled, then it's not real. It's just a really good idea. So inside of the course, How to Elevate Your Self-Care Beauty Routine, there is a licensed esthetician who walks you through a at-home facial, and it is one of my favorite parts. And I watch it every time because her voice is so soothing and encouraging, and it's just like, oh, so relaxing. So that's the kind of day I'm going to have, and I'm really excited about it. And I look forward to it. And, here's the thing. When you put it on the calendar, you make it real, and you tell everyone in the household, then you just get tons of support. And you can enjoy your self-care day all day long because it's on the schedule. Now, the Elevate Your Self-Care Beauty Routine is half off this month with promo code NESTPRETTY, no capitals, no spaces. And I hope you have a fantastic day, taking really good care of yourself. Now, next month is not going to be so much fun because I'm going to tackle the papers and get them all nest prettied. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be so much fun. Have a fantastic day. Bye.